PC network thusoh vezau si chibai thusoh hin simding tin nei lam amasan thusoh thumakai ho Zomi namni football tournament 78th edition opening ceremony kichip gol si lo thingta achi thla ding zin lin hon adai sa thu phungu KCLF Makai Nanuya Coaching Center nei te chunga thilpha bol na kin gon kemang til khauna thu saina Reverend Dr. K Thusoh former General Secretary Baptist Church Mizoram in nei Khangthu adia amasapen hiding in KBC Kuki Baptist Convention to EBC Evangelical Baptist Convention haubung in joint fellowship anamang khomo ZPF in one day fasting prayer January ni sim som la sagi sang ni som ni lagup ki ginni ni khoting le ni khat an ngol taw khom na kin gun Olive Retreat Center a nei ding Churachandpur College student ni in national level for Viksit Bharat Young Leaders Dialogue 2026 kiti a pachanna ananai district pumpi adinga ki thangat pi mamau 94 Battalion CRPF in Haptani sung munchum chuma CAP hin bol khumkhana gamgi phaya kin gon nei IPEC hongsung rate ki bol na to ki mana West Bengal Police FIR le CCTV footage so SC in khongaisa Tuni chun India in 78 Army Day Jaipur ami pito anamang US President Trump in Greenland dinga America national security ki pi law le Russia le China lut ding ahitia say